Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about templating in Pyramid. So basically what we need to do at first is to pip install the Pyramid chameleon named package in order to use this templating. And dash user. Wow, seems to be better. Maybe would have been better if I have activated my virtual environment, but anyway. So basically what I would like to do is to copy my view.py to template views.py and copy the view demo.py to template demo.py. So what we need to do here in the template views is to edit it and see what kind of view we have configured. We are not going to need the second view config, and for the template demo.py what we would like to do is to remove this line, and the template views we would like to be scanned for the config. And right before that we need to include the pyramid chameleon, and once we have saved it we need to go back to the template views.py, and here we would like to change the configuration. So the name of the route can stay as it is, but the renderer should be hello world.pt. And what should we do? Yeah, so we would like to return the dictionary of the request.matchDict name, and this is going to be the name equals, and we don't need the response imported either from here. Now let's go to the demo.py, and here what we would like to do is to modify this route and just simply say that we have a name argument that we would like to use. And after that basically at the view config we specify a renderer which points to a template file, and then it is going to simply return data which is then supplied to our template. So if I go ahead and create the hello world.pt, what I can do is to create our HTML document with the English language. We close off the tag and we would like to have a body, and close off the body tag, and inside the body we would like to have an h1 header, hello $name, and close off this one as well. And we would like to have a heading, and close off this head as well. And here we simply say that the title is going to be templating demo. So now what we would like to do is to save it and use the Python to execute the template demo.py. And if we open up a Firefox web browser, what we should be able to do, hold on, is to hit the HTTP 0.0 with the name Daniel. And now we have the Daniel rendered out. And that was all. This one of the templating examples with the Chameleon templating engine. And in the next one we are going to check out Jinja. See you in the next one.